Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my future uploads. I always bring you helpful guides, app tutorials, and tips to make things easier for you. Today, I'll show you how to activate your TikTok PayLater step by step. This will let you shop on TikTok and pay later with flexible installment plans. So if you're ready, let's get started. First, open your TikTok app and go to the shop section at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll find tons of amazing deals and trending products. Now, to check if you're eligible for TikTok PayLater, try checking out something from your cart. Scroll down to the payment method section. If you haven't activated TikTok PayLater yet, you'll see an activate button beside the option. Tap on it to begin. With TikTok PayLater, you can enjoy the following benefits: no down payment, buy now and pay within 45 days without an initial payment, flexible installments, choose a payment plan of up to 12 months that suits your budget, fast approval, get verified in just 3 minutes with a quick online process. And the best part, you can get a credit limit of up to 50,000 pesos. Activating TikTok PayLater is super simple. Just follow these 2 steps. Step 1. Verify your phone number. A verified phone number helps confirm your identity. Step 2. Add your information. Your personal details are required to determine your credit limit. Once you've filled in the necessary details, tap Check My Credit Limit to proceed. Now, let's continue with the activation process. First, you need to confirm your phone number. Once you've entered your phone number, tap Continue. Next, it's time to create a payment PIN for your TikTok and TikTok shop. This PIN will be used to secure all your payments and financial transactions on TikTok. Please remember your PIN and never share it with anyone for security reasons. Now, we just need to complete one more step to activate TikTok PayLater. Tap Continue to proceed. Here, you'll be asked to verify your identity using a valid ID. Some accepted IDs include PhilSys ID, PRC license, driver's license, passport, UMID ID, and more. For this tutorial, I'll select UMID and tap Continue. Now, you need to take a clear photo of your identity card. Let me do it now. After submitting your ID, the next step is facial verification to comply with government regulations. Tap Start Verification and follow the on-screen instructions. Once completed, tap Continue to move forward. Now, you'll need to fill in your personal details. Just enter the required information and scroll down. At the end of the form, you'll need to choose your repayment due date. You have 3 options: 1st, 15th, 25th of the month. Select what works best for you and tap Continue. Awesome! My TikTok PayLater is now under review. Let's wait for a few minutes for approval.
A few minutes later.
After a few minutes, I receive a text message from TikTok confirming that my TikTok PayLater is now activated. My approved credit limit is 7,000 pesos, which I can now use for shopping on TikTok Shop. Now you can shop and choose a payment plan that fits your budget. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. I'll try to help you out. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my next tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.